Hi, tonight I'm going to do a quick little video of how to make the candy cup holders. I am going to do the 1 ounce size and it'll hold like this. And I don't use the lid, I use the bat or the actual design as the lid. Goes like that. Okay, this is the 2 ounce size. These are 5 by 7. These are 4 by 4. Okay, and I'm going to do the ghost witch tonight. Okay, let me get everything set up and I'll be right back. Okay, I have my tearaway stabilizer hooped and I'm going to stitch the placement stitch. Okay, you can see it, stitch the placement stitch. I'm going to cover it with felt and do a tack down. Okay, it's did the tack down. Now I'm just going to trim right around this, okay? Okay, I've trimmed the ghost part and now I'll do the placement stitch for the hat. Okay, it's did the placement stitch for the hat. Now I'm going to cover it with my felt and tack it down. Okay, it's kind of hard to see because I did black on black, but it tacked it down. Now I'm going to trim it. Okay, I've trimmed the hat. Now I'll do the eyes and the design on the hat and stuff. Okay, as you can see, it did the belt on the hat and it did his rim of his hat right here. Now it did the cutout circle. So you're going to cut this out. I'm usually careful not to go all the way through my stabilizer, but if you do go through all the way through the stabilizer, you can always turn it over and put another piece on the back, just so when it does the satin stitch, it has something to stitch to. So right now, I'm just going to go in here and I'm going to trim the circle. Then I'll put it back on the machine and I'll do the satin stitch, okay? There we go. Now I'll stitch the satin stitch around the circle. Okay, it stitched the satin circle. So now I'm going to turn this over and I'm going to cover the back with my felt and tape it in place. And then I'll do the tack down, okay? Okay, it's did the tack down. Now we're going to turn it over and we're going to trim the felt off the back, okay? Okay, I've trimmed it and now I'm going to put it back on the machine and do the final satin stitches, okay? Okay, it's all finished. Now I just pop it out of my stabilizer and I pull out the center. I'll do any trims up that I need and just add the candy. Let me move my hand so you can see. Just put it in and pull it around the edge like so. And there it is. Voila! Thank you.